Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 14 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. So happy to see you. So if you're doing this practice in February, it is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day. And if you're not, that's okay. It's totally fine. So today's affirmation is, I am aware of my thoughts. If you want to go ahead, gently close your eyes. I invite you to allow this affirmation to settle in. I am aware of my thoughts. So throughout this practice, just kind of tune back in and say, okay, am I aware of my thoughts, or am I just on autopilot through this practice today? To begin, we're going to do our Oms, right? So we start off with a cleansing breath. You can close your eyes if you would like. We inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Starting with our 3 Oms, we inhale. 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 Finding the breath, tuning in, and whenever you're ready, we're going to take it into Balasana or Child's Pose. We can do a wide leg, so we'll take the knees to the width of the mat, toes are together, and we gently take it back, walking the hands out in front, forehead drops to the mat. Sinking our heart space down to the mat, feeling that in between the shoulder blades and the lower back. Taking 3 inhalations here at your own pace. Finding your rhythm. From here, we're going to take our right arm and just go underneath like we're threading the needle, and allow the top of the head to fall to the mat. Feeling that gentle stretch. We take one more breath here. We inhale. And as we exhale, we take that hand back up, changing it. Left hand goes in between, top of the left corner of the forehead falls to the mat. Breathing, sinking down those hips to the tops of the heels. On our next exhale, we take it up, left hand
meets the right. Again, we sink down, allowing the heart space to fall to the mat. Saying our affirmation, I am aware of my thoughts. Our right hand is going to take the back ankle. We're going to hold on to it. We're going to bring our knees closer together. Staying strong here. Holding on to that ankle, we're going to windmill the right arm up. Taking it in to a half camel. You want to take it into a full camel, you can, just holding on or not. So you can keep it here. On the next exhale, we take it back down into child's pose. Holding on to the other ankle, windmilling the hands up, taking it to half camel, pushing through those hips. Breathing. And on the exhale, we take it down. From here, on our next inhale, we take it to tabletop position. Gently start moving those hips from side to side. And when you're comfortable, we can take it into circular motions. Really finding that range of motion here in the hips and taking it the opposite direction. Coming up, down and back. Noticing the way that you're moving here, the sensations. From here, we're going to take it into cat-cow. But now we're going to drop down on the forearms, making sure that our elbows are stacked on top of the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. From here we have a neutral spine. We're going to drop the belly, arching the back, looking up, gaze up, exhale, curving the spine, navel to spine, pushing away from the mat. Exhale, arching the back, untucking the tailbone, gaze up, exhale, flexing the inner thighs as we go up, and we inhale. Let's do 2 more rounds at your own pace. And taking our time here. And taking it back to a neutral spine. We're going to tuck the toes, taking it into dolphin. Walking the feet up, pushing back on the elbows. Hands are out wide. Bending the knees if you need to. There's no need to have a crazy dolphin pose here. Allowing the neck to fall. Whenever you're ready, gently dropping down the knees to the mat. Untucking the toes, and taking it back into Balasana, child's pose, hands fall. Now allowing the hands to come to the sides of the body. You can even hold on to the feet, the soles of the feet. Taking 2 breaths here. Transition into rabbit pose. Here we're going to go to the crown of the head, holding those back heels, feeling that in the shoulders, in the neck. If you have issues with the cervical region, it's better not to do this. You can just stay in child's pose. Taking one more breath here. And on the exhale, dropping down. With the hands as guides, hinging from the waist, flat back, we come up to thunderbolt. Tuning in. I am aware of my thoughts. We inhale, hands come above the head, palms together. We exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. Namaste. If you'd like, gently open your eyes. Thank you all so much for sharing this practice with me today. I hope that you enjoyed it. We tried some new poses, so maybe you can get a little creative if you want to try them out again. I will see you all tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, let me know how your practice went. I love hearing about it. Again, if it's February 14th for you, happy Valentine's Day. Thank you all again. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Ciao.